Hello guys, I'm Jack of all trades and welcome to a new video on the Nashorn restoration. The next two videos are on the bump stops that I made for the Nashorn, which are used on all Panzer IV chassis as well as Nashorn and Hummel. First I'm welding some round stock to the bottom plate, since the original ones tend to come loose in time. The round bar prevents this. The discs are laser cut for us, which saves a lot of time. I made 126 bump stops last time and now 76, so the higher number makes it worth to get these laser cut. The top plates have two holes. Originally threaded bushings were crimped in these holes, but now I use T-nuts with the same M14 thread. The advantage is that these nuts have flanges that hold onto the rubber better. Of course I have to position them so that the edges won't come in contact with the edge of the mold. The one in front came from the fire and could be reused. The extra bump stops I made were for other projects around the world. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to my channel. If you are interested in merchandise of the project, go to our page, of which a link is in the description. I'm cleaning the edges because they will be in contact with the mold and thus need to be clean, otherwise the mold won't fit. Next is sandblasting the side that comes in contact with the rubber. I need to use a special primer for adherence between the rubber and the steel. Here you can see the mold I made last time, and luckily I kept it at home. First, the bottom disc will be placed at the bottom of the mold. Then I can bolt the two halves together. Next is adding a 2-piece silicone mold for the bottom groove. I will show the casting in the next part.